So now that you've watched the video that was part of your notes, we're going to fill out this in your Unit 6 packet. So go ahead and make sure that you're open to the low pressure and high pressure system. So we're going to go over low pressure first. So for low pressure, we're going to say that it's low and wet. So that means that most of our weather is associated with low pressure systems. So typically low pressures are cloudy. There are storms. And lots of precip. So typically our low pressure systems are wet, cloudy, storms, lots of precip. And that's because the air is rising at this point. And we learned yesterday, that when air rises, cools, condenses to the dew point, it makes clouds. So our wind movement, we have an abbreviation here, it's LICC. So low in counterclockwise. So we're going to draw our low pressure. So clockwise goes to the right, counterclockwise is going to go to the left, and our winds are going to curve inward. So low, in, and counterclockwise. Our air movement, as I said, and in the video they showed that our air rises. Air rises and it makes clouds. Okay? So low pressure systems are associated with cloudy, storms, lots of precipitation. Low in counterclockwise, they ask about this on the regions all the time. So our winds are moving in a counterclockwise motion. And our air movement is going up because everything is funneling into that low pressure system and then moving upwards to create our clouds. All right, high pressure systems, we say that they are high and dry. There are no clouds and no precip. No clouds, no precipitation, high and dry. So a high pressure system is typically where we get really nice weather. It's nice and sunny. So the abbreviation here for the wind movement is HOC, or HOC, high, out, and clockwise. So this time, our arrows are going to the right, and they're going in an outward direction. High, out, clockwise. In this pressure system, our air sinks. So that's the reason why we don't have any clouds. So air sinks. So that means that there are no clouds associated with a high pressure system. So high and dry, high pressure, out and clockwise, and the air movement, the air is sinking. Sinking air does not create any clouds. So just a quick review. Low pressure system, low, wet, cloudy, lots of storms. Low in counterclockwise, the winds are going in a counterclockwise direction, so that's to the left. And the air rises here, making our clouds. Clouds make precipitation. High and dry, no clouds, no precipitation because the air is sinking. And the wind movement is clockwise and outwards, so it is to the right. So those are our two pressure systems, our low pressure and our high pressure. And we're going to talk more about these two systems, especially low pressure systems and weather fronts, tomorrow. So what I would like you to do now is in your notes, there is a link to a Google form that I would like you to answer some practice Regents questions.